The wireless fire detectors can be used independently with wireless fire alarm panel. It can also be used with wired fire alarm control panel, while wireless to wired adapter. So easy to add wireless fire detectors and accessories to exist fire alarm system. Rebuild fire security project easy. For example, partial renovation and upgrading of a 4-story independent building KTV. According to the design requirements of the specifications, the corridor in the renovation area needs to be renovated now. Smoke detectors, MCP pull buttons, and siren strobes need to be added. Total of 35 points, and it needs to be connected to the original fire alarm system. Overall linkage of the system. Firstly, connect the wireless to wired adapter to the original circuit and power supply. Then install the wireless products. Next, write the gas linkage program and upload to fire alarm control panel. Finally, conduct overall linkage testing of new and old equipment. Wireless to wired solution can also be equipped with wired links from all other manufacturers.